Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix video not playing on ladder. So if videos aren't playing in the app on your iPhone, it's usually a connection issue, app glitch or playback setting problem. So actually guys, first you will need to check your internet connection. So swipe down from the top right corner of your phone and then go tap and hold right here into that section, and inside it will need to switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data and try loading other workouts or a video. Okay, so if other apps are slow to it's your connection. And also guys, you will need to first close and open the app. So just go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just close ladder. How so? You all need to swipe it up too, and then just wait 10 to 15 seconds and reopen it and try the video again. And why not, guys, go ahead and update the app if available. So just go ahead with your app store, and inside it you will need to go and look for the app using the explore icon right here. So tap on it and go and tap on the search bar and then look for ladder, right? So type it, go ahead, tap on the app right here once it's found, and then tap on updates if available. And the playback bugs are often fixed and updates. Okay, and also guys, you will need to check the sound and the mute settings. So sometimes video plays but seems broken because there is no audio. Okay, so you will need to turn up the volume using the side buttons, and you will need to check the silence mode is off. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.